Greetings, wonderful audience. Amarjit here from our PTE classes. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, in today's video, I'm going to discuss about how to prepare for PTE. Even if your desired score is 80, 70, 60, or even less than 60 for the UK, then how you can prepare PTE. So I'm going to divide the task. So first one is the essential task. So if your desired score is 50, 60, 70 to 80, means in between 50 to 80, then the essential task for the PTE is the repeat sentence and the write from dictation. So these two tasks are almost similar tasks, but in the repeat sentence you have to repeat the sentence, and in write from dictation you will write the sentence. So you can prepare these two tasks simultaneously so that you can improve your score. So these are the most important tasks in every situation, in every desired score. So first prepare these two tasks and give your time on these two tasks. Next is the important task. So means you can't skip these kind of tasks if you are even facing a problem in these particular tasks. First is the read aloud and the describe image, retell lecture, summarize it in text, write an essay, reading and writing filling the blanks, and reading filling the blanks. So here I want to give you suggestions like कि if you are preparing for read aloud, then you are just reading the paragraphs. So you can also prepare this read aloud task with these two tasks also, because in reading and writing you can improve your reading if you are understanding the context of the given paragraph. So if you will just read the paragraphs, you will understand the context and you can also improve your read alouds. So if you are preparing for read aloud, then simultaneously you can prepare for reading and writing filling the blanks and reading filling the blanks also. In describe image, it's contributing in speaking only, but you can't skip this task. This is the very important task. Next is the retell lecture. So retail lecture is also important task. So in the next slide we have a summarized spoken text. So in summarized spoken text you will hear an audio and you have to write that audio in your own words. But in retail lecture you will hear an audio and you have to retell the lecture in your own voice. So again you can prepare retail lecture and the summarized spoken text simultaneously so that you can improve your retail lecture as well as the summarized spoken text in 2025. If you want to achieve your desired score, then just make a habit of note down the phrases, because the keywords are not working in the retail lecture as well as in the summarized spoken text. Then summarize it in text. You don't need to do anything. Just pick up the lines and use the connectors to complete your desired words. Write an essay. You can follow the structure, but you can't follow the template in write an essay, and try to include the maximum content in write an essay. You can also include the content at your own and if you have a knowledge about the topic. Next is reading and writing, then reading filling the blanks. So understanding of context is very important. Basic knowledge of grammar is very important for these two tasks. Summarize spoken text. Your lines should make a sense. You can use a template, but use the template wisely and choose the sentences properly so that you can make fit that sentences in the summarized spoken text. Listening filling the blanks, focus on your spellings because listening is very important and spellings are very important. Proofreading is very important and listening filling the blanks. Next is the highlight incorrect words. So it's a very important task for the listening as well as for the reading section. So most of the students have like they can do these kind of tasks, highlight incorrect words, but you will get the audio of the different like speaker and at a different frequency. So just practice from the different excerpts from the different websites so that you can't skip 1 marks even in the highlight incorrect word. So this is the task you can achieve high score. So these all are the important tasks if your desired score is in between 50 to 80. So you can't skip these kind of tasks. So next is less important tasks. So if your targeted score is more than 60 or in between 60 to 80, then you have to do reorder paragraphs. But if your targeted score is below 60, then you can skip this task because it is only contributing 6 points only in the reading section. But in this reorder paragraph, sometime you can follow some grammar rules, but most of the time you will not can't follow any grammar rule because grammar rules are not working in reorder paragraphs. You just have to make the sense of the lines. So next is the least important task. So if your targeted score is in between 50 to 70, then you don't need to do practice of these tasks. When you are just going to attempt the mock test, then you can see ki what are these kind of task. So first one is MCQ multiple answer, MCQ single answer from the reading section, MCQ multiple answer, MCQ single answer from the listening section, highlight correct summary, and last one is the select missing word. So this is a typing error. So last one is the select missing word. So these are the least important tasks. But if your targeted score is 80, then just do practice before 1 or 2 days of exam so that you can see the different question and you can just check ki how you can make the answers correctly. So in highlight correct summary, just try to hear the conclusion of the summary in the end. But in multiple answer, single answer, just read the paragraph in the reading, and in the listening just listen the audio carefully. So this is all from my side. So if you have any doubts, any queries, then you can write in the comment box also. You can mail me amarpteclasses@gmail.com, and if you want to discuss any topic and you want a video on a particular topic, then you can also write in the comment box on the email ID also. And if you need any kind of additional help like online and offline classes, my contact number is given in the description box. You can call me on that number. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos.